Welcome, guys. There's no time, so let's dive in. So today, price was just like this. People have been trying, or these traders have been trying to predict me for a while. So let me just give them a very simple trade, right? So far we were in a downtrend, right? And the 714 method, so far we're in a downtrend. But when you look closely, before the hour even closes, we were already at a very nice support. So breaking through the support would have meant that we are going into a sell zone, right? We wouldn't have bought after this. We were going into a sell zone. So price said, no, I'm still going up higher. That's just it. So just when all is lost, it did what? It gave us a very nice entry. Just look at it, a very nice fair value gap, so that you use it as your entry, because you couldn't have looked left and find anything here again to use for your entry. No, that wouldn't have been possible, right? And if we had broken through this too, we would have sold, we wouldn't have bought. So that's just it. Price said, no, let me just give them the entry. Then give us the entry. Very, very nice. Today was just the easiest. So you just plot whatever amount you want to buy or whatever. You just put it here. Then wait for price to come and hit it. That's just it. My only regret was just that I kind of inputted three here, but price only took one. So it only took one of my trees. It did not take all three. So that was just my regret. But it was a nice trade. So let's look at it and see what happened. Price actually hit my take profit, right? It actually hit my take profit before reversing all the way down to somewhere here. There was a 15-minute fair value gap here. So price retraced back to it. Then we took off again. But I closed the trade somewhere around here. I was still about $100 short to my final TP, but still I wasn't happy about this candle right here. I wasn't happy. The candle was too loose, right? So I wasn't happy about it. So I just said, I know, let me just close the trade. And this was a very nice order block, right? You could have entered into a trade here, then all the way back down here. I like trading with other blocks, but I don't like trading against other blocks, right? And at this moment I was trading against it, and other blocks are very, very scary. They can hit the price down, or they can hit it up in just a few seconds. So I don't really like that. So that was why I closed early. But today was actually very, very good. I wasn't going to enter into a trade though, but I just wanted to trade the 714 again this week. That was just the beginning of this week, right? So let's see what the rest of the days has for us. Stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that when there's a new update, you can actually see it and learn more about how to trade, and also learn more about new techniques and new methods to trade, right? So let's see what the rest of the week has for us. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.